common things that will surely help you in affiliate marketing. You will have to come up with new types of techniques to be successful. There are some essential things that will be the same in everyone's plan. If you want a great boost in affiliate advertising, promote through other programs that are targeting the same audience. This very choice of affiliate sites you are marketing through will allow customers to access your products much easier. Work with affiliate marketing partners that make your part in the business easy. Good affiliates will give you ready-made advertisements, links and endorsements. Resources like this make it easy to deliver eager customers to your affiliate. They make money for you and your affiliate. A good affiliate will offer you the tools to turn a profit for both of you. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. Before deciding on an affiliate company to go with, check out the company's references and see what people are really saying about the services they offer. You need to be sure that you're dealing with a legitimate service before you put the time and effort into driving traffic to someone else's site. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commission rates. Some programs offer 100% or higher commission on the products they sell through you. Don't dismiss items like this as scams. These programs end up making more money through the follow-up sales, so it's worth it to them to pay out high commissions in order to gain a new customer for the long term. Be sure to pick a niche that you really want to sell in a market that is not too big. Look for something to sell that is really needed by a small group of people. When you begin with this approach, you already have a market, so you won't have to drum up business. Just convince the existing market that your version of the product or service is the best one. Nothing is quite as important in affiliate marketing as correctly identifying your audience. Understanding that there are different niche markets within every niche market will help you to only target those potential customers most likely to purchase a product. This saves you a lot of time and helps you make a lot more money. Methods such as this are effective in attracting customers. All you have to figure out is how to apply them to the position you're interested in. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.